Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of a futuristic machine captured in mesmerizing slow motion. Imagine a high-speed industrial marvel where gears, pistons, and turbines spin at mind-blowing RPMs. First up, the gears. As they turn, you can see the intricate teeth meshing perfectly, distributing forces with pinpoint accuracy. Friction? It's there, creating a dance of sparks and heat that showcases the raw power of mechanical engineering. Next, let's talk pistons. Watch them pump with rhythmic precision, every movement contributing to the incredible efficiency of this machine. The translucent parts reveal the inner workings, where oil particles glide effortlessly, reducing wear and tear. Vibration is a constant player here, but it's expertly managed to maintain stability. Now onto the turbines. These giants of motion are a sight to behold. As they spin, air flows through the blades with such force that you can almost feel the pressure. The semi-transparent casing lets us witness the flawless mechanics inside, with dust particles